not happy with this wallpaper at all. So I think probably today I'm going to tear it off. I know. Look. See how it's coming off? And I've stuck it down with carpet tape. It's just not looking good. So I think today I'll be tearing at least about that window where it starts, clear across to this window. The rest of it looks okay, I guess. I'm not thrilled with it, but I'm going to start by tearing that off. It just looks really bad. Yeah, I'm just going to tear it off, and I've got some gray paint. I've got some white paint. I think I'm going to go with the gray. It's the same gray that I put in the bathroom. Let's look at it. It's the gray that's right there. Not wild about it. Maybe I'll add some white paint to it so it doesn't, just a touch of gray. Maybe not so dark. Anyway, so yeah. Yeah, I know, I got quite a mess going on in here. But I did finish this up. I don't know if I ever showed you. Let me swing out here. Ooh, it's bright out here. But I got it all up, installed. Man, it's bright. Ooh, killing my eyes. Anyway, so I'm going to run in and get the paint and probably the glue gun to get that tape off of there. Sandpaper. There's all the wallpaper, and I have scraped off every bit of it and sprayed it down with a squirt bottle and got all the excess glue from the back of the wallpaper off of it. Anyway, so that's all cleaned off, and then I scraped these as flat as I can. I'm going to go get some sandpaper and sand them a little bit smaller. Anyway, I've got lots of cleanup to do, and I've got lots of sticky on my hands from that glue. So I'm going to get cleaned up, and then I'll bring you back. Hello. Well, I got kind of caught up in my work. I got all the wallpaper off, got all the glue scraped off. I got a little squirt bottle. I used a little squirt bottle full of water and got all the wallpaper off, and went in and got my paint, got it shook up. I got the curtains off, everything off the wall, and I started painting. Started painting. So I've decided to paint the wall gray. Here, I'll show you. So the wall is gray. I know it's probably not easy to see because of the reflection. Let's see if I can move to a different spot. Well, that's not much better. But trust me, the wall is gray. And it is sort of the same color gray as my... It's sort of the same shade of gray as my Happiness is Homemade sign. So it sort of kind of blends in. And then I'll take the... Anyway, it's the same shade of gray, sort of, as that. As long as it's done before I leave. So, which reminds me, we're officially on the countdown to my leave date. And I think I've got 13 days left. I'm leaving on the 21st. Maybe sooner if I get my truck back. So, yeah. Alright, let me get this paint put away. I don't think... I put 3 coats on here already. I don't think I'm going to do... Anywho, I'm going to get this mess cleaned up and get this paint to dry. I'm going to go rest for a little bit because remember, I still haven't been to bed. So, yeah, the wall's painted. Yay! Okie doke. The wall is done. The only thing I have to do is a little bit of touch up around that top edge up there. That'll be simple enough. But it's finished, and I've sort of got my mess cleaned up. Anyway, go to this side, see if you can see it better. That light sure messes it up. Alright, I don't know what time it is, probably about noon, so I'm going to go in, grab some lunch, get this video uploaded. I guess that's it. I'm just tired. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up. It's right down there. Thanks. Bye.